We all know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It's the fuel that kickstarts our metabolism and sets the tone for the hours ahead. And when it comes to starting your day right, protein is the ultimate key. Protein provides the building blocks for our muscles, keeps us feeling full and satisfied, and helps stabilize our energy levels throughout the day. This is especially crucial for those following a vegan lifestyle, as it can be a little trickier to hit those daily protein targets without relying on animal products. But fret not, fellow plant-based pals. There's a whole world of delicious and protein-packed vegan breakfast options out there that will have you bouncing out of bed with excitement. Let's start with a classic that's gotten a protein-packed makeover: avocado toast. This isn't just any avocado toast, it's a nutrient-dense, flavor-packed version that will leave you feeling satisfied and energized. We're taking this brunch staple to the next level by adding a hearty dose of cannellini beans. These beans are not only rich in protein but also bring a creamy texture that complements the avocado perfectly. Simply mash the avocado and beans together, season generously with salt and pepper, and spread it on your favorite toasted bread. This combination creates a deliciously creamy and satisfying base that's both nutritious and filling. The creamy avocado combined with the satisfying texture of the beans creates a delightful base for this breakfast treat. But wait, there's more. This is just the beginning of our flavor journey. To elevate this toast to new heights, we're adding a burst of freshness with chopped garlic, fragrant coriander, and a squeeze of zesty lemon juice. These ingredients not only enhance the flavor, but also add a refreshing twist that makes each bite exciting. For a final flourish, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil adds a touch of richness that will tantalize your taste buds. This simple addition brings out the flavors of the avocado and beans, making the toast even more irresistible. Each bite is an explosion of flavor and texture, making it a breakfast you'll crave all week long. The combination of creamy avocado, hearty beans, fresh herbs, and a hint of citrus creates a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. Enjoy this delightful and nutritious start to your day. Who says you can't enjoy an omelette on a vegan diet? This plant-based version is here to challenge that notion and delight your taste buds. This savory vegetable omelette is here to prove that plant-based eating is anything but boring. It's a vibrant, flavorful dish that will make you forget all about traditional omelets. The star of the show is chickpea flour, a versatile ingredient that magically transforms into a fluffy and flavorful omelette base. It's packed with protein and has a wonderful texture that mimics eggs. Simply whisk together chickpea flour, baking powder, water, and a dash of soy sauce for a savory kick. You can also add a pinch of turmeric for a golden hue and a hint of earthiness. While the batter is resting, it's time to prepare the star-studded cast of vegetables. Fresh, colorful, and full of nutrients, these veggies will add both flavor and texture to your omelette. Caramelized onions add a touch of sweetness, while chopped zucchini, colorful bell peppers, and a hint of chili bring a delightful crunch and a touch of heat. These ingredients not only enhance the taste but also make the dish visually appealing, and don't forget the chili peppers. They add just the right amount of spice to keep things interesting. Adjust the amount based on your heat preference. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding sautéed mushrooms to the mix. Their umami richness complements the other vegetables perfectly. Pour the batter over the cooked vegetables and cook until golden brown. The chickpea flour will set beautifully, creating a firm yet tender omelette. And there you have it, a hearty and satisfying omelette that's bursting with flavor and packed with plant-based protein. Garnish with fresh herbs for an added touch of freshness, and enjoy this delightful dish any time of the day. Looking for a breakfast that's both exotic and easy to make? Look no further than this quick vegan curry with toasted flatbread. Don't let the word curry intimidate you. This recipe is quick, simple, and bursting with incredible flavors. Start by caramelizing onions until they're golden brown and wonderfully sweet. Then add your favorite curry powder and cook until fragrant. For a touch of sweetness and tanginess, stir in a dollop of mango chutney. The combination of sweet, savory, and spicy flavors will transport your taste buds to culinary heaven. Serve this flavorful curry alongside warm toasted flatbread for a satisfying and protein-rich breakfast that will fuel your day. You can even add a side of peas for an extra boost of green goodness. Now that we've explored 3 amazing high-protein vegan breakfast recipes, let's talk about how to build a well-rounded breakfast plate that will nourish your body and power you through your morning. Remember, a balanced breakfast should include a combination of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. In addition to the protein-packed recipes we've discussed, consider adding other nutritious elements to your plate. Fresh fruits like berries, bananas, or grapefruit provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Whole grain toast, English muffins, or bagels offer complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. And don't forget about healthy fats. A sprinkle of nuts or seeds, a dollop of nut butter, or a drizzle of olive oil can add flavor, texture, and valuable nutrients to your breakfast. Section 6. The power of protein fueling your day the vegan way. We can't emphasize enough the importance of protein in a vegan diet, especially for breakfast. Protein helps build and repair tissues, supports a healthy immune system, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied, which can help with weight management. When you start your day with a protein-rich breakfast, you're providing your body with the essential building blocks it needs to thrive. Plus, protein helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those mid-morning energy crashes that can leave you feeling sluggish and reaching for unhealthy snacks. By incorporating protein into your breakfast, you're setting yourself up for a more productive, energized, and focused day. Section 7. Flavorful twists for your vegan breakfast adventures. One of the best things about vegan cooking is its versatility. You can take a basic recipe and transform it into something extraordinary with just a few tweaks. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different flavors and ingredients to customize these recipes to your liking. The possibilities are endless, and you might just discover a new favorite combination. For the avocado toast, try adding a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a touch of heat, or even a dash of smoked paprika for a smoky flavor. You can also swap out the coriander for fresh basil or dill. Each herb brings its own unique taste, enhancing the overall flavor profile of your dish. In the savory vegetable omelette, feel free to experiment with different vegetable combinations. Mushrooms, spinach, tomatoes, and onions all make delicious additions. You can also add bell peppers, zucchini, or even some fresh herbs to elevate the taste. And for the quick vegan curry, try using different curry powders or pastes to explore a world of flavors. Each type of curry powder or paste can bring a unique twist to your dish. You can also adjust the level of spiciness by adding more or less chili powder or red pepper flakes. This way you can tailor the heat to suit your personal preference, making each meal perfect for your taste buds. Section 8. Embrace the joy of vegan cooking. Cooking should be an enjoyable and rewarding experience, not a chore. Embrace the joy of vegan cooking by trying out these high-protein breakfast recipes and exploring the endless possibilities of plant-based cuisine. Don't be afraid to experiment, get creative, and make these recipes your own. Remember, the most important ingredient in any recipe is love. So put on some music, gather your ingredients, and let's get cooking. Section 9. Start your day strong with high-protein vegan delights. So there you have it, 3 delicious, easy, and protein-packed vegan breakfast recipes to energize your mornings and nourish your body from the inside out. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just starting to explore plant-based eating, these recipes are sure to become new favorites in your breakfast rotation. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so why not make it delicious, nutritious, and packed with plant-powered protein? Embrace the power of plants, fuel your body with goodness, and start your day strong with these high-protein vegan delights. Happy cooking? Leave your comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.